Morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing fabulously. This one's going to be just for me because there's been a lot of energy moving. I know I spoke last week or the week before about the energy in April, and here we are halfway through April. And I don't know about you, but it still feels like there's this battle going on in the background, and it's against the spirit. It's against the spiritual being inside of us. It's all about go science, go doctor, go medical. Anyone who thinks anything differently to that is obviously voodoo, witch doctor. How dare we question anything? And it's been more like that this year than ever in my professional career over 30 years. It's the most bizarre thing, and some people are getting sucked into it, and that's absolutely fine. But there's a lot of my close family and friends who are on the other side and just keep saying the words, I trust the science, I trust the science, I trust the science. And I keep going, I'm listening to the science too. It's not settled. Whatever you're doing, it's not settled. So, but most importantly, I want to nurture that little part of our spirit inside, because that little part of the spirit is getting dented with all this negative energy that's coming from the side of must trust the science, must trust the science. You go, well, go prove the science then, guys. Go prove that these are not side effects. Go prove that this is safe and effective. Go prove it. Don't bypass a whole bunch of the normal testing processes and tell me it's all been done. Everyone knows it hasn't been done. Sorry. That's not what it was about. It was actually the spirit. It feels like my spirit's just being battered and bruised at the moment. So anyway, that's sort of where I was going to go from today. So I might just start again. Does that